Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to enable two-step verification in WhatsApp. Go to the WhatsApp from your apps list. Tap on the three dot from the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings. From Settings, tap on Account. In the account settings, you can see the option two-step verification. Tap on this. Tap on Enable. Now enter a 6-digit PIN which you will be asked for when you register your phone number with WhatsApp. Enter the PIN again to confirm. Now enter an email address to your account which will be used to reset your PIN if you forget it and safeguard for your account. You can skip this task or you can enter the email address. Now tap on Next. Enter the email address again for confirmation. Now tap on Save. That's it. Your two-step verification is enabled. Now tap on Done. So in this way you can enable two-step verification in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.